Okay, up on the board, we are going to work some of this entrance slip. We're going to work most of it. We're not going to work all of it. So what I would like for you to do is take out a color different than what you used. So go ahead and take out a pen or something. So if you need to make corrections, you can make corrections. And I'm going to collect these then and look at them to see what you're struggling with, or if you absolutely have this down. Okay? So, like I said, I think we're going to work 4 or 5 of these. I don't remember how many I put on there. But the very first one is right here. So I have to look and say, okay, what is going on here? And I can see, and what I'm looking at is right here. I'm looking at that right there, and I'm saying that that is a beta particle being released. So this is going to be beta decay. Now, remember that these numbers here have to add up on both sides. So 14 and 0 is still going to give me 14. What is 7 minus 1? Well, that's going to give me 6, right? So what is element number 6 on my periodic table? Carbon, right? So basically what we are dealing with here is the beta decay of a carbon 14 isotope. Okay? Remember this, you're going to have to do, and it's probably going to be sometime next week, but we're going to do a carbon dating activity. Okay? And it will deal with this carbon 14. This will be one of the things you'll be dealing with, the beta decay of carbon 14. Now, our second one here, okay? Our second one here, I look at this and I say, I really don't know yet because I don't have my blank in there, and it's not one of the things I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and do my math here, and I can see that this is 4,2, which is going to be the helium there. So what is that 4,2 helium? Well, that's an alpha particle. So what we're dealing with here is alpha decay. So this is the alpha decay of uranium-238. Now, once again here, my next one, what I'm looking for, I don't see. So I see 15 and 0. 7 minus 1 gives me 6. That doesn't seem right, does it? Okay. I'm going to have a plus 1. Woo. I'm going to have a plus 1. So what is that plus 1 right there? Okay. Plus 1. I'm going to put that E there. That is what we call a positron. So I am dealing with positron emission. Questions? Here's my next one. Well, I see that right here. Once again, what is that? What is that right there? What do we call that? A beta particle, right? So that is going to be, we're going to be dealing here with beta decay. So once again, doing my math, I'm going to have 32 here. What minus 1 will give me 15? I think 16. What is element number 16 on my periodic table? That is sulfur. So this is the beta decay of phosphorus 32 to give me sulfur 32 and the beta particle. Now my final one here, I'm looking and I'm saying, okay, I got to go ahead and do my math. I see 0 there. 47 minus 1 gives me 46. Okay, so my electron here, okay, this looks like a beta particle, but what it is here, it's on the left side. It's on the left side of my arrow. So when I have something on the left side of my arrow right like that, that is capturing that electron. So this is electron capture.